Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Control.
Raptor revelation, the $361 million air superiority monster.
The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is an American twin-engine single-seat all-weather tactical stealth fighter aircraft developed and manufactured for the United States Air Force, USAF. As a result of the Advanced Tactical Fighter (ATF) program, the F-22 was designed to assume a primary role as an air superiority fighter, but also has the capability to conduct ground combat, electronic warfare, and signals intelligence. Lockheed Martin, as the main contractor, is responsible for producing most of the airframe along with the weapons system and carrying out final assembly, while Boeing as the partner is responsible for producing the wings, rear fuselage, avionics integration, and pilot training and maintenance systems. This aircraft is planned to be the most advanced United States aircraft of the early 21st century. As such, it is the most expensive fighter aircraft, priced at $120 million per unit, or $361 million per unit when adding development costs. In April 2005, the total development cost of the program was $70 billion, causing the number of aircraft planned to be built to fall to 438, then 381, and now 180, from an initial plan of 750 aircraft. One of the factors causing this reduction is because the F-35 Lightning I will have the same technology as the F-22, but at a cheaper unit price. The F-22 previously went by the names F-22 and F/A-22 before officially entering service in December 2005 as the F-22A, despite a protracted development process and facing numerous operational obstacles. The USAF counts the F-22 as a critical component of its tactical air power. The F-22's combination of stealth technology, aerodynamic performance, and avionics systems enables unprecedented air combat capabilities. The USAF initially planned to purchase as many as 750 aircraft from the ATF program in 2009. The F-22 purchase program was trimmed to 187 operational aircraft due to its high operating costs, lack of a clear air combat mission due to delays in Russian and Chinese fighter programs, export bans, and the development of the more versatile F-35 fighter. The last production F-22 was delivered to the USAF in 2012. The aircraft from the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program is expected to be the successor to the F-22. Advanced Tactical Fighter (ATF) is a contract for a demonstration and validation program carried out by the United States Air Force to develop a new generation of air superiority fighter aircraft to face threats from outside the United States, including the development of the Soviet-era Su-27 class aircraft in 1981. The United States Air Force mapped out the requirements for a new fighter aircraft, planned to replace the F-15 Eagle. The ATF is planned to combine modern technologies such as advanced metal and composite materials, advanced control systems, high-powered propulsion systems, and stealth aircraft technology. In April 2006, the cost of the F-22A was estimated by the Government Accountability Office to be $361 million per aircraft. This cost reflects the total cost of the F-22, a total program cost, divided by the number of jets to be purchased by the Air Force so far. The Air Force has invested as much as $28 billion in Raptor research, development, and trials. When all 183 jets have been purchased, $34 billion will have been spent on the actual purchase of these aircraft. This would result in a cost of approximately $339 million per aircraft based on total program costs. The increased cost of one additional F-22 is about $120 million if the Air Force were to purchase 100 additional F-22s today. Each aircraft would cost less than $117 million and would continue to fall with additional aircraft purchases. The F-22 is not the most expensive aircraft. However, that distinction seems to be with the B-2 Spirit, which is worth roughly $2.2 billion per unit, even though the cost increase is below $1 billion. To be fair, B-2 orders went from hundreds to a few dozen when the Cold War ended, so the price per unit skyrocketed. The F-22 uses less radar-absorbing material than the B-2 or F-117 Nikon, with the expectation that maintenance costs will be lower.